This is Ben, and this is Gal, and together they make Bengal. Ben what?
Well, if you shut the hell up, I'm about to explain.
Say hello to Bengali people, and there are a lot of them. In fact, Bengali is one of the top 10 most spoken languages in the world, and the overwhelmingly majority of them live in two places, Bangladesh and West Bengal. Bangladesh is a fully sovereign country, and West Bengal is actually a state within India that has its own nationally recognized language. And it's a curiously shaped state, which has part of the Siliguri corridor, India's narrowest choke point, which at its narrowest point is only about 14 miles or 20 kilometers wide. Anyhow, West Bengal's capital is Kolkata, Bangladesh's is Dhaka. So you're probably wondering, okay, why two parts? I mean, they're basically the same people that speak the same language and use the same script, right? And they both idolize and praise Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore. Seriously, even here in LA, we have a little Bangladesh and his face is like everywhere. Anyway, back to the main question. Even though Bengalis are all one people, there is a little bit distinction between both sides. See, during partition years, the majority Muslim Bengalis went to Bangladesh, whereas the majority Hindu ones stayed behind and became a state of India. I was told the Bangladeshi Bengalis speak kind of like a more pure version of Bengali, whereas the ones in West Bengal have a more Hindu English influenced version of Bengali. And again, going back to the partition years, Bangladesh was actually originally called East Pakistan and was an exclave of the centralized Pakistani government. But then in 1971, they gained independence from Pakistan, giving them two independences, one from the British and one from Pakistan. So they're like the only ones that have a double independence. Some people say that Bengalis have a distinct look. It's kind of like the halfway point between the peoples of the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, which I mean makes sense because I mean if you look at them geographically, they are smack dab between both regions. Anyway, shout out to both Bengals. Really hope to visit you guys one day. However, I will admit I'm a little bit more curious about Bangladesh because they're one of the most unvisited countries on earth. I want to give you guys a little more spotlight. Cheers.